How to fix Instagram followers stuck. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram followers stuck easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone like this, scroll down and you will find the apps manager right here. Click on it, go to the apps. Now all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and it will show you all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down and you will find the Instagram app like this. Click on it. Now all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Just click here on this force stop option as you can see right here, and after you click on it you will find this option. It's called storage. All what you have to do now is click on it and then click on clear data and clear cache. After that, all what you have to do now is just make sure to turn off your phone and turn it on again, and it must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.